Dollface, it's Kat here, and I had another amazing mail day because my new Hyperspace eyeshadow palette came in the mail. It was so amazing. Like, as soon as I saw this on Hottopic's website, I had to get it. A Millennium Falcon eyeshadow palette. Like, come on. This is amazing. This is the Star Wars palette I was wanting. Like, I know last year Cargo came out with those two Star Wars palettes, but they were all like boring and neutrals, and just the packaging was just very simple and like, yeah, I get that whole aesthetic, but I like color and fun, and I just didn't get them, even though they were Star Wars. Like, I needed the Star Wars, I wanted it because it was Star Wars, but I didn't do it because it was just boring. But then this came out and it's just so cool. It's literally the Millennium Falcon. I love it so much. It is a Hyperspace eyeshadow and highlighter palette, so you get a highlighter and a bunch of shadows. So let's open up this baby and see what it looks like. Oh my god, look at all those colors. This is what I'm talking about. I want all color all the time. I am obsessed. And I don't know how many shades are in here, but it is beautiful. It does have kind of a chemically smell though, I'll give it that. It doesn't smell the best. But the packaging is super cute, and it comes with this giant mirror, like, hey, you can see yourself, guys. And then it says in the mirror, the force is strong with you, which is really cute. I really like this. This will work really well when I'm doing videos, and I can look at the mirror here. My only thing I'm worried about is it's very thin right here, so like, I hope it doesn't break. I mean, it has a magnetic closer, so it'll still go on top, but I'll just be very careful with that because it's kind of heavy here, and this is a very thin thing holding it together. But packaging is super cute, and everything is like in a round, is all round, like the Millennium Falcon, like you're going around. So I'm really happy. So let's get to swatching these colors. We're gonna start with this red here because it's like calling me. It is called the Empire. Oh, it's pigmented. Ooh. I like that. That is a really pretty reddy shade. And then we'll go right underneath it and we'll get into the shade Wookie. This is like a matte shade. Oh, that's pigment too. Okay. Okay, pigment. Alright, we good here. So the next shade is the Force. Oh, hello. I like that. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And then underneath the Force we have Droid. Alright, that one's nice. That'll be a nice like little highlighty shade. On the next spot we have Jedi Knight and Lightsaber, so we'll sweat Jedi. Okay. Next one is Lightsaber. Okay, that one's a little patchy. Okay. So that one you definitely have to build up. That's the color with a little bit built up, so you just have to build that one up a little bit, I guess. The next two we have are Astromech and Blaster. So Astromech is like this really deep teal color, which kind of matches my lipstick I'm wearing right now. Oh, that one's pigmented though. Okay, so that's like a matte color. Blaster is like a metallic purple shade. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I like that one. We're gonna move on to the wrist now. So the next two shades are Sith Lord and Rebellion. Sith Lord is a matte black, and Rebellion is a metallic green. Ooh, hello. The next two we have are Hyperspeed, which, you know, kind of goes with the palette, and Stormtrooper. So we have a nice like gray color and a gold. So Hyperspeed is like the grayish color, like a metallic finish. Oh, that's pink. And then Stormtrooper is like a goldy one, which is a little confusing for me because I mean I feel like they would go more white for Stormtrooper, but there it is. It's a little hard to see against my skin tone, but it's a nice gold color. And the next two shades are Padawan and Tatooine. So Padawan is this beautiful metallic green, which I'm all about. It's like a teal green. I like that. That's really pretty. And then Tatooine is a metallic taupey color. And now we're gonna finally finish it up with these two shades, and we have Cantina and Darkside. And Cantina is like a champagne-y color, and Darkside is a maroony, like a light maroon red, like a rusty red. So this is Cantina. And the final thing to swatch is the highlighter, which has this really cool Rebellion symbol in the center, which I really like that. So let's swatch that. Swatch that right here. And oh, she pigmented. Oh, I like that. It's a nice like fair highlight. All right. So there is a lot of color options we are going for here. I'm wearing a blue lipstick, so let's do something on that scheme. I'm kind of tempted to do like a Lando inspired look, like what he's wearing in the new outfit for the new movie with the Donald Glover. He is like in a yellow and blue outfit, so let's try to work something around those colors, because I don't know, I'm just feeling that. I really like the Astromech shade, and I really liked how Hyperspeed and Droid were, so let's do that. No, Padawan was really nice. No, we're doing blue and yellow. I'll come back and do another tutorial later with this. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade Astromech, the blue teal color, the matte blue teal color, and I'm going to run that throughout my crease. See how these work with a brush. I feel like there's going to be a lot of fallout because I'm getting a lot of fallout from the packaging. They're very nicely pigmented. They're actually not that hard to blend. I'm very shocked actually. I'm feeling it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about it. I will say though that you lose a lot of pigment while you blend, so you're gonna have to add a lot of the color to really deepen it up. There's a bit of fallout, so you may want to do your base after your eyeshadow for this palette. I'll just clean that up later though, because I'm lazy. Alright, so I've gone through about 3 times to really build up this color. I really like how it looks. I really like the shade. You know, it takes a lot of building up, but it's honestly really pretty, and I'm a fan. So now I'm going to go, just to deepen it a little bit, I'm going to go and take Hyperspeed and put it in the inner and outer corners just to give a little bit more dimension and deepen up. I'm going to take a concealer and I'm going to place that into the center of my lid just as the base for the middle shade. And then I'm going to press Stormtrooper right into the center of that. And then I'm going to blend a little bit more of the blues in there just so it's not so harsh. I think I'm going to add a little bit of Sifflord and just so that I deepen it up a little bit, tiny bit more. Just a little bit more, you know, not too much, just a tiny bit. Okay, so I really am liking how the top part is. It's super yellow and blue like Lando, but I think I want to add a little bit more color just to add a little bit more to this look. So I think on the lower lash line, I'm going to add a red because this dark side color is really calling me. So I think I'm going to mix dark side and the Empire together just to get a really nice pretty red, because I know he wears a little red belt, so that will tie in with the look. So I'm just going to go in and do that real quick. Okay, so those 2 shades had a lot of fallout. And then I'm going to meld the ends together back with Astromech. Now I'm going to apply lashes and mascara off screen and I'll be right back. So let's move on to the highlighting, everybody's favorite portion of the day. So the highlighter doesn't actually have a name, so it's just a highlighter. And it's got the rebellion symbol as we said before. So let's see how this baby looks on the skin. I'm just going to apply this with a Morphe M310, just a fan brush. And let's do this. Oh, she pigmented. It's kind of got a blue sheen to it. Can you guys see that? I'm a fan. It's a very whitey blue. So this looks really nice on the skin. I'm feeling this. This is a nice highlighter. It's really good for fair skin too, which makes me happy because I'm very pale. Let's add some to the inner corners of the eye and the brow bone just to make it pop even more. And this is the completed look using the Hyperspace eyeshadow palette from Hottopic. I am so pleasantly surprised by this. The pigmentation was actually really good besides that purple shade, but I didn't use it because I was really into that Astromech blue. I'm gonna probably wear it a lot. I did something I normally wouldn't do. I don't normally gravitate towards these colors when I do makeup. I do like lots of pinks and purples, but I was like, no, I need to break out of that, so I really like what I came up with. It was really inspired by Lando's new outfit that Donald Glover is gonna be wearing in the Solo movie, which I am so excited for. Oh my gosh, cannot wait to see that. It comes out next week. I'm just super hyped for that. So I know that's why this was launched, because it's the Millennium Falcon and Solo and everything. Oh god, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see this movie. I'm really just happy with how this palette came out. It wasn't boring like the other Star Wars palettes that have come in the future. There's so many great colors to choose from, and there's so many looks you could create. I'm so inspired by this. I can't wait to do more because I really want to play with the Force and Padawan. I really like how those look. So I'm going to do like a greeny blue shade. I really like that, and I love this highlighter. I like this a lot. It's really pretty on the skin, and it's super soft. It's not like glittery, it's like a nice glow, and it's really, really nice and fair. The only complaint I do have is with the paper packaging. As I said before, I'm really nervous because it's held on by this, and it's already starting to come apart on that corner, so I just want to be really careful with this. So I won't be using the mirror as a mirror because it's just too bottom heavy to do that. But I really like the mirror itself because it does say the Force is strong with you down here. You can't see it though, I don't know what I'm trying to show you. And I really like that they have in the packaging, like it's like the Hyperspeed stars in the background. I really think that's a clever idea. The names are super cute. I really like that. I'm just a big fan, and I can't wait to put this on my vanity because my room is like Star Wars and floral and Disney themed, so it's gonna look so cute there with my Padme and Leia print. I'm really excited about this. I am so happy to have this in my collection, and I can't wait to see Solo. Who else is ready to see Solo? Comment down below. Tell me who you're excited to see most. I'm most excited for Donald Glover's Lando. I think it's going to be amazing because everything he does is amazing, and I'm just so excited for this movie. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please get a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be so rad of you guys. Thank you guys again. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!